Hi everyone, welcome back to Basic to Finance. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through how to delete your Atomic Wallet account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. Unlike any other crypto exchanges and web wallets, Atomic Wallet does not require you to create an account. All of your private data is stored locally on your device, which means no one else can access it, including Atomic Wallet or any other third-party service. If you decide to delete or leave Atomic Wallet account, simply transfer your remaining funds elsewhere and discontinue use of your Atomic Wallet. If you'd like to move your funds somewhere else, then open up your Atomic Wallet app. Once you're logged in, choose the asset you'd like to send from the asset list on the first page. For example, let me select BTC. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the coin inflow and send and receive interface. Click the send button at the bottom right and you'll be able to see the address field. Your available balance and your network fee will be displayed on this page. Tap to paste the address of the receiver or use a QR code scanner in the first text box. Once the wallet address that you would like to send your Bitcoin to has been pasted, enter the amount on the next field that you'd like to send. Once you enter the amount, check all the information if it is correct and tap the send button at the bottom. But remember that you must have balance in order to do so. I don't have any Bitcoin on my wallet, so it is showing me you'll need more BTC to make these transactions. But if you do, you'll be able to send your Bitcoin or any other assets from your Atomic Wallet app elsewhere. Once you confirm your transactions, you'll be able to send the remaining assets on your Atomic Wallet. Now, once you've done that, you can easily delete your Atomic Wallet application by pressing hold to the app and tapping on uninstall. Confirm uninstalling one more time by tapping OK. And now you can stop using Atomic Wallet if you'd like to delete your account or get rid of your account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.